8 assets that make people rich and never work again. Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Rich Life, your ultimate guide to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. If you dream of a life where you never have to work again and still enjoy a steady income, you're in the right place.
Today, I'll share the 8 key assets
that can make this dream a reality. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Segment 1, Real Estate. First on the list is real estate. Owning property is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth. Whether it's renting out residential homes, leasing commercial spaces, or investing in REITs, real estate generates steady cash flow and appreciates over time. Imagine earning passive income from rental properties or dividends from REITs without working a 9-to-5. That's the power of real estate. Segment 2, Stocks. Next up is stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income, while growth stocks can multiply your wealth. Over time, stock market graphs and charts companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Microsoft have been paying dividends for decades, rewarding their shareholders consistently. Pro tip: always reinvest your dividends to benefit from compound growth. Segment 3, Bonds. Third on our list is bonds. Think of bonds as loans you give to governments or corporations, and in return, they pay you interest. A calm, stable financial chart. Bonds are great for creating a stable, predictable income stream with lower risk than stocks. They're an excellent addition to any passive income portfolio. Segment 4, Businesses. Moving on to businesses. Owning or investing in a profitable business can create enormous wealth. Thriving small businesses and innovative startups. You can either start your own business, partner with others, or invest in startups through platforms like AngelList. The best part? A well-run business can generate income even while you're sleeping. Segment 5, Intellectual Property. Now let's talk about intellectual property. Creating something valuable, like a book, a song, a patent, or an online course can pay you royalties for years. A creative artist writing or designing. Think of J.K. Rowling earning from Harry Potter, or a musician receiving royalties every time their song is streamed. This is the ultimate set it and forget it income source. Segment 6, Digital Assets. Another modern asset is digital assets. This includes websites, blogs, YouTube channels, and ebooks. Visuals of people working on laptops or recording videos, for instance. A successful blog can earn from ad revenue, and YouTube channels can make money from ads and sponsorships. This is a great way to turn your passion into profit. Segment 7, Cryptocurrency. Seventh on our list is cryptocurrency. Digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and staking platforms can generate passive income. Visuals of crypto coins. But remember, in blockchain animations, the crypto market can be volatile, so do your research and invest cautiously. Segment 8, Alternative Investments. Finally, we have alternative investments. These include collectibles like art, vintage wine, or even peer-to-peer lending platforms. Show visuals of art galleries, wine collections, and digital lending platforms. While they may not be traditional, these assets can offer unique opportunities for wealth creation and diversification. Now let's recap the list. And there you have it. The 8 key assets to help you achieve financial freedom and never work again. 1. Real estate. 2. Stocks. 3. Bonds. 4. Businesses. 5. Intellectual property. 6. Digital assets. 7. Cryptocurrency. 8. Alternative investment. Which of these assets do you already own? Or which ones are you planning to explore? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Financial Rich Life, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our wealth building tips. Thank you for watching. And remember, financial freedom is just a smart investment away. See you in the next video.